Hey guys, Nick here from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our Gen 2 Raptor in the shop and we're going to be showing you how to install our brand new Gen 2 Raptor vent lights. These things look awesome, they're easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we want to do is remove our side vent panel. So I'm going to reach behind the panel and there are 4 alligator clips, 2 here at the top and 2 at the bottom. And I'm going to squeeze on each of those alligator clips one at a time and then use a tool, a pry tool from the F150 LEDs toolkit. And as I squeeze on the alligator tab, I'm going to pull away from the truck, and that'll allow the vent just to pop right off. These are the 4 alligator clips that we were squeezing on as we pried using our tool. Okay, so that will allow us to mount our light strips to the vent itself, and then we'll remount this piece back to the truck. Now that we have our vent removed from the truck, we'll be able to mount our lights. So we're going to be mounting our lights to these 2 flat tabs here, which correspond to the openings in the vent because we want our light to shine out of those vents. So we're going to use some of our cleaning wipes. We just want to make sure that the surface of this vent is very clean. That's going to help that gel adhesive stick even stronger. This vent's already pretty clean, but once you've got your surface, your mounting surface here, as clean as possible, you want to give it about 20-30 seconds. Make sure it's dry. You don't want to mount your lights to a wet surface. But we'll go ahead and start laying our lights out. So we're going to put our light here that is not at the end, but we're going to put it on this top vent here. Just going to put it kind of in place just for now. And then our second light here is going to loop down and go into this, so you get an idea of how our light is going to be mounted. So then once you've got it laid out like that, we'll go ahead and take our gel adhesive red protective cover here off. It's going to be a little tricky because this stuff is very strong. Okay. And once we peel that red protective layer off, reposition our light, making sure that any exposed area is going to see our orange, our amber light, or in this case, amber. And then once you get your light positioned, just going to want to keep pressure on that adhesive for about 30 seconds, just kind of applying even pressure throughout the light strip. Then once we feel like that's secure, now we're ready to take our second light and peel the protective cover off its adhesive as well. There we go. Position it just like we did on the top one, but here on the bottom. And then likewise, about 30 seconds of spreading pressure on that gel adhesive. And once we've got our lights here in place, we'll be able to run our power and ground leads through the opening of the truck, and then we'll be able to remount this vent back to the side of the truck. So we're going to take our power and ground wires, run them up through this vent opening. Now we'll push our vent back in place. So now we have our red power lead and our black ground lead from our driver's side vent light, and we're ready to connect to power. So what we're going to do is we're going to utilize the grill lights that are already in the grill, these Raptor lights, so that whenever our Raptor 3 light grill lights are on, our side vent will automatically be on as well. So in order to access these lights, we need to pull up on this rubber valance. And it's just got some of these compression tabs in place And we're gonna use a tool from the F150 LEDs toolkit just to pry those up. But if you don't have this tool, if you've got like a flathead screwdriver, that'll get the job done also. Just pull them up just like so. So I'm going to remove some of these. Now we're going to be utilizing this 12-pin connector. So if you push down on this tab and pull up, it'll release. And that'll give us a little bit more flexibility to access this wiring. So we're going to take our easy connectors and we're just going to go and slide them over our red wire. So to go in this single channel with it open like that, and then we'll push down. Grab some pliers. You'll hear it click like that. And then we'll do the same for our ground wire. Just like so. And now we're ready to attach our red wire to the blue-gray wire from this connector. So you're just gonna line that wire up in this open channel. Do my best to show you on the camera. And then grab your pliers. Just push down on this side. You hear it click as well there. Now we'll take our black wire and we're gonna be using the black with gray wire here. Just like so. Apply pressure straight down, making sure our wire is in there all the way good, and that's all. So now we're connected, and we'll be able to push this connector back down into place. But first, we're gonna wanna go ahead and install our passenger light and run our wires to do the exact same thing here. And then after that, we'll push our connector down, just like so, and then we'll be able to button everything back up, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, that's all there is to installing our COB LED vent light system on your Gen 2 F-150 Raptor. They look fantastic. We guarantee you're gonna love them. You can check them out right now at f150leds.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products made specifically for your Ford Raptor. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us at F150 LEDs for Instagram and Facebook. We can't wait to serve you soon and see you soon at f150leds.com. Thanks, guys.